Yeah! Oh! I have a lot in common with this coffee. I'm rich and nutty. My lid fell off when I was pressing my coffee. It just went and just blew fucking coffee and everything into my fucking cup. And the damn thing won't fucking twist. Are you fucking serious right now? How does this fucking happen? I've never seen this fucking happen. All right, let's try this again. No!
No! All I want to do is drink some damn coffee.
So we're gonna do ring dike?
Yeah.
Ring dike, and no, we're gonna start with Bex.
Do Bex, and then we got to go down to that road anyway.
Yeah.
Bex. Shred.
Had to be a little quicker, maybe.
Yeah.
So you're an engineer?
Sort of.
That's awesome.
Dude, that's sick.
Like chromoly?
Yeah.
Welded it?
Mainly Reynolds and Columbus. So we get over in
Yeah.
UK with.
Oh, wow.
It's like quite high in chromoly.
Did you design it specifically for your style of
Yeah, pretty much.
trials?
What I
So you
want
could
to
get a
ride.
mix of trial
Yeah, and mountain and just
Yeah.
everything really. A lot of rigs now are designed just around going extremely fast.
and yeah.
You know, because that's what the top boy's doing, which is fair enough, isn't it? But the average lad just he wants to have a bit of a play, I think.
Yeah.
I make a few changes now. Well, I'll make another in a bit. For next
How many
year.
how many frames do you have built? Just one?
I've got this one.
Uh-huh.
I've got another one, but it's been built a fair few years now. I've got a hardtail. And
Yeah.
I've got built a high pivot frame probably 10 years ago. But I'm not that keen on high pivot stuff.
Yeah.
I think
Ew. Yeah. Nice.
During COVID, we were working from home, and I didn't really want to live in Ohio, so I quit, and they wouldn't let me go full-time remote. So I quit and did like part-time contractor work, you know, with my same group for a while.
Yep.
And then I've been doing, I was kind of involved with like the off-road race team.
Cool.
like the desert racing, Baja race cars and stuff. And so I got involved with those guys doing contract work for them, and I've been doing that for about a year. But that's like very part-time, like not enough to really sustain. But I sold my house and like all of my stuff, so I'm mainly just living off of savings. Kind of
trying to do a bit in between to try and make it balance out.
But then I'm kind of trying to like get into programming and something like that I can do remote.
And then you come around right, yeah.
Probably not that bad, is it?
I don't think so, but I just felt scared.
I know it'll proper nosedives it, in my opinion.
Yeah, I don't think you need much speed at all. Yeah! Yeah, you definitely bounced a little bit. And then by the time you could even start slowing down, you were way down there. I think you landed past the crack. I was watching on the camera, so I didn't really get a good look at it.
Oh God, that's great. Have you ever gone to use your eye drops and you only have enough eye drops for one eye? That sucks, because now I got one eye that has sand in it from the windstorm last night. It was so freaking windy, man, I couldn't even sleep. But who cares? We're still gonna send it. Give her! Send her up!
Ow! Fuck! Damn it! Do we need to take our shoes off?
If you want to, my foot's still.
Kind of a hole.
Oh shit! Almost fell in. I just used the Wim Hof method. That shit was nutting, boss. I'm just glad my balls didn't get up in there. Look at my clown pants.
Subscribe now.